to run a quick Zobo. You understand? People that know me knows I like Zobo drink so much. So today I want to carry you people along on how I prepare my Zobo without sweetener. Yes, we love it without sweetener. It's going to be natural and so pure and still sweet, but it's not going to be that sweet. You understand? This is the healthy part of the sweet. So join me as I show you the ingredients I'm going to be using for this Zobo, okay? Don't go anywhere. Here I have my Zobo leaf neatly washed and rinsed. Okay, make sure you wash your own and remove all the unwanted particles from it and let it be as neat as this my own. This is the quantity I'm going to make the Zobo with. Then go ahead and prep the stuffs you're going to put in your Zobo drink. Here I have my sliced cucumber, the pineapple bark, I have my cloves, I have ginger neatly washed and sliced. You can peel the back of your own anyhow you want it, just do your thing. Here I have my orange. Make sure you remove the seed from your orange so your Zobo will not be bitter. Then my pineapple is also here. Go ahead and mix all these things together, your ginger, cloves, cucumber, orange and everything, pineapple bark, anything you are going to put. Some people put cinnamon stick, anything you want to cook your Zobo with. Go ahead and mix it together, then pour in any amount of water of your choice. If you want it to be big, if you want it to be small, is your choice. Just do your thing, okay? Mix thoroughly and then light up your gas and cover this pot of goodness very well to cook. So now we are going to go ahead and blend other stuffs that we are preparing the Zobo with. Our cucumber, orange and pineapple, we are going to blend it together. Remember I told you guys we are not going to use any artificial sweetener for this. All the sweetener we are going to use are going to be natural. That is why I have my orange, I have my pineapple, cucumber and the rest. So I finished blending it. Just go ahead and sieve it out. If you have juicer, good for you, but it's blender that I have, so that's what I use. So let's check our Zobo. Look at it, look at it. Hey, it's in a bozy poto. So go ahead and sieve this Zobo, yes, and allow it to cool. Once it's cool, mix your juice, that's the pineapple, the orange and cucumber, mix it together and store in any container of your choice. Yes, this is me packing it in my container. You can see how sweet the Zobo is looking. If you come to my house and I don't give you Zobo, that means I don't like you. Anybody that visits my house knows that Zobo is one drink that we know they look for my house. So this is it. Go ahead and store in your freezer. This can stay as long as you want and it's very healthy. It's very healthy. It's very it's time to pack our Zobo inside freezer, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this easy method or the way you prepare your own Zobo at home. Bye, love you guys.